B. Survivor of time and critics. In 1778, Voltaire, the French atheist, on his deathbed said in 100 years, Christianity would be abolished in history. In 1830, the Geneva Bible Society, 50 years after his death, they used the house of Voltaire to publish hundreds of Bibles on his own printing press. On Christmas Eve, December 24th, 1968, the crew of Apollo 8 read from the book of Genesis as they orbited the moon. Astronauts Bill Anders, Jim Lovell, and Frank Borman, the first humans to travel to the moon, recited verses 1 through 10 of the Genesis creation narrative from the King James Bible. Anders read verse 1 through 4, Lovell verse 5 through 8, and Borman read verse 9 and 10. This is taken from the Wikipedia. Matthew 24:33. So likewise ye, when ye shall see all these things, know that it is near, even at the doors. What things? Verily I say unto you, Matthew 24:34, this generation shall not pass till all these things be fulfilled. What things? Matthew 24:35, heaven and earth shall not pass away, but my words shall not pass away. Heaven and earth shall pass away. Heaven and earth shall pass away, but my words shall not pass away. That means the earth is going to be abolished eventually. John 16:13, howbeit when he, the Spirit of truth is come, he will guide you into all truth. For he shall not speak of himself, but whatsoever he shall hear, that shall he speak, and he will show you things to come. All the scriptures and lexicon are found on the esword.net website, which you can download for free to your phone, tablet, or PC. I have a class on YouTube learning how to use the Strong's Concordance online. You no longer need to use a book. I have 3 sources that show you how to use the concordance. I also teach Hebrew, all the alphabet letters and their meaning and the root words. I teach a class, Bible class for pastors, preachers, ministers, and beginners, showing Jesus the hope of salvation. If you want to learn more about salvation from sin, come to this class, and it is very easy to read. You can order the charts and lessons from this class at the pentecostalpublishing.com website. They have pre-printed lessons you can hand out to the classroom and quizzes for your students. Thank you for coming to this class. Please click and subscribe and see more classes on my Search for Truth 2 Bible study by the Pentecostal Publishing House. Minister Gail, apostolic teacher of the original Judeo-Christian one God teaching in the Bible.